To make a graph using Pandas, first import Pandas and matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. And we can import Pandas as PD, so this will be the name. Now the name of this datasheet is called datasheet.xlsx, and now I'll open it, and this is my datasheet. So if let's say someone tallied a classroom for their favorite fruit, then this could be the data. And now to read it, we can create a variable called data and say pd.readxl of this name, which is datasheet.xlsx. Now we can plot this saying data.plot kind equals bar, and then the x-axis will be fruit, the y-axis will be number, and this is optional. You can make the title as, I'll say, favorite fruits. And now you can do plot.show. So this will create a plot, and now using this it will show the plot. Now if we run it, I'll press run. Now it will show a graph of favorite fruits. So oranges 6, mangoes 8, grapes 3, bananas 6, and apples 5. And if you want to make a horizontal bar graph, you can say bar H for bar horizontal. And I'll close this. And then I'll run this again. And then it'll create a horizontal bar graph. Also, I will show you on screen right now a bunch of different types of graphs you can make from the Pandas website.